Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the cleaner pack kit on your Ri4000. Now, the reason we got to change this part out, guys, in case you're getting an error code 933 and we done the bypass on the display panel. So we do need to replace some of the fittings for those tubings. So right here, guys, I'm going to show you some of these fittings that we're going to be replacing. It's going to be a T-fitting, it's going to be an adapter, it's going to be these inserts that go inside the tubes. Now, these guys, if you notice, they have a little baffle to them. So they got like a little lip right here. So you have two large ones and one skinnier one. The skinnier one is the one that goes towards your sensor that reads your pressure. This one as well, if you put your finger across it, you're going to feel a little baffle on it, okay? All right, guys, so let's go ahead over to our printer, and we're going to start replacing some of these parts. Now, the first thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to release the tubing here off this clip. We're going to put a paper towel down here so we don't spill any cleaner in our system. And we're going to go ahead and remove these three tubes here. We're also going to remove one more connection right over here. This is going to be for our adapter. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is this T-fitting right here. Now, guys, just keep track of these tubes here. So you got a small one on top and one coming in from the right side, one coming in from the left side. To release these, we're going to push down on this orange piece, and then we're going to pull our tubing up. So there's one. Again, we're going to push on this orange piece and pull the tubing to release it. 2 and 3. It's a little tough, this one. There we go. We got it out of there. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and get my fittings, and I'm going to show you guys how these go on here. So remember that little baffle that we talked about, the little end piece? That needs to be towards the outside of the tubing. So this needs to slide in there like so. And then you have one here on the left. And then one on the right. Okay. Once you got all those in place, we're going to go ahead and get our new fitting here. And we're going to just go ahead and push these tubes right into the fitting. Give it a nice little push in there. Make sure they go in all the way. We're going to get a top one here. I'm going to push that guy in there as well. Okay. Once we got these fittings here, we're going to go ahead and move paper towel over to our other fitting over here. This one's going to be a little hard, guys, but you can actually get your hand here on top of the unit to get this fitting out. You can see right there. I'm going to go ahead from the top here. I'm going to show you guys how I press down on this round blue circle. Press down on that and pull the tubing up to release that one. Same thing over here. I'm going to push down on this release tab here, and I'm going to pull the tubing out. Okay, once we got that out of the way, guys, we're going to go ahead and grab our replacements. And just like the other ones, we're going to go ahead and we're going to insert it into this fitting. Now, these ones don't have those little chrome adapters. These just go in there with some force to make sure you got it all the way in there. Give it a little touch to make sure it's locked in. So there's one. And over here from the inside, give me some more room. We're going to get the other one in there. It's going to push that all the way in as far as we can. Give it a nice little tug. And there it is, guys. So once we got these parts in, we can actually turn the machine back on. We're going to go into our parameters where we changed earlier, and we're going to go ahead and set those back to default. After that, your unit should be just fine, and the error code should clear. If you guys need any more assistance, please call Ricoh Tech Support. We'll help you guys double check everything. Thank you guys for joining us today, and we'll see you guys next time.